Bing, bada boom.
From one adventure and on to another, because now we're going diving because Keith found an absolutely stunning dive. That's a wall with caves and swim throughs, and I feel like I'm just spoil alerting everything before we do it, but I can't help myself. I'm just kind of excited and having a good time.
We're going diving at the Cave of Babylons today. We're taking Nikki and Jason. This is their first dive. Ever. And it's like herding cats. They're running around, but the good thing is Jason looks good in his thong.
Are you really wearing a thong?
Of course.
I'm wearing a thong.
Jason, don't be teasing me. You want to do that again, where I don't talk about thongs, or do you want to leave that rolling?
Now you're second guessing his
yeah.
smart acidness.
Hey, I'm just keeping it real out here. You know, I gotta have my trademark hat.
Yep.
Why am I all of a sudden nervous in front of a camera on y'all's channel? Because I don't get nervous on camera, but I'm kind of feeling self-conscious all of a sudden with your camera rolling on me. And I'm never shy in front of the camera.
I like it.
I don't like it. I'm feeling, wait a second here, there's a new audience looking at me.
All these new masks, it's like no matter how many times you clean them, they still get foggy. There's even the perfect circle from where the sticker was advertising this mirrored lens that I don't like. It's like this perfect.
Oh, I can see it.
It's like super clear, and I've scrubbed, and I can't get rid of. Anyway, new Mask Woes. It's not just something everybody deals with. I also haven't figured out exactly where to put this. Attach it to the mask. There's no directions on the website. I'm a directions kind of guy. I want to see what the manufacturer recommends. What does that say about me? I just want to know.
You just want to know.
He's like a local. They eat raw pasta.
I'm just a look. You want some?
No, I'm good.
You're missing out.
Carb up, baby.
Well,
And not even like, show me that pasta.
that pasta right there. Want that pasta? It's just white pasta.
That's disgusting.
Oh, it just turns into sugar when I eat it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Are y'all coming diving?
Of course.
Can you bring a cracker?
No, no,
Hey, right inside.
Priorities on this boat, let me tell you.
Sunscreen.
I got it. Oh, never mind. I got it.
Just like home, just like family.
Yep, just like family. There's never a dull moment. I just can't even tell you. Living on a boat with this many people.
Yep, so here we are in the Asawa Islands of Fiji. If you've been following along, then you already know we're living with this crazy family of 5 on a boat named Zatara. So let's just dive right in. There's so much going on down here that it's easy to become completely mesmerized by the tiniest things. I could easily spend an hour just following one little fish. So this is why they call it the Caves of Babylon. Because swimming through here feels like entering the walls of an ancient kingdom. And if this were a kingdom, the crown jewels would be the soft corals. From fanciful fan corals to mesmerizing dancing polyps, it all feels very royal. It's Nudibranchs! These little creatures don't have eyes or a nose. Instead, they have super-powered antennas that detect smell and touch. The bigger one is about 4 centimeters, which is as big as they'll ever get.
Well, that was a nice dive. All the little caves and swim-throughs that we saw, those teeny tiny little things, I'll have to look them up, see what they're called. The visibility though, it just went from pretty good to could barely see, so we had to call it before we got, well, one, cold, and before we lost everybody. Yeah, and now we are back on Zatara. It's getting close to sunset. Yeah, you know what that means. Sundowners, right? Right? Or guitars if you're on Zatara.
Yeah, stop! I'm camera shy. I've never been on video.
Well, there you go, folks. That's enough.